I help online coaches make $5,000 a month with their business, and I always get asked, is Alex Hormozi lying about Skool? In this video, I'm going to explain why Skool is not a scam and give you 3 reasons why it's an amazing opportunity for you to make money online and quit your 9 to 5 forever. Now, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, let me break it down real quick. Skool is a pretty new platform made for online coaches and educators. It was endorsed by this guy, Alex Hormozi, who was blown up on the internet for giving awesome business advice. But there are a lot of rumors going around that Skool is a scam full of fake gurus trying to steal your money. So I want to start by saying that this is simply not true. Skool is filled with people who are passionate about what they do and genuinely provide great advice and coaching. So don't just listen to all the internet trolls and keyboard haters without actually finding out for yourself. Because yes, there are communities for things like manifestation and other woo-woo topics, or crypto communities, and maybe these feel scammy to you. But there are also communities around things like business, art, food, finance, sports, fitness, relationships, and so much else. So whatever you're into, there is probably a space for you on Skool. And if not, you can always make your own community. And by the way, if you want to learn how you can make $5,000 a month using Skool, click the link in the description for my free resources to help you get started. Now, why is Skool such an incredible once-in-a-lifetime opportunity? The first reason is because it's so new. This is what I call the first mover advantage. I mean, think about when Facebook, YouTube, or TikTok just started. There was so much opportunity to grow real fast just because it was new and it wasn't oversaturated yet. Now, it's become a lot harder to grow on these platforms compared to when they first came out, even for TikTok. Now, that doesn't mean you can't still use them and be very successful, but it's just not as easy as it was when they first launched. But Skool is still incredibly new, so right now is the best time to get started and build your own online coaching business. As Warren Buffett said, it's not about how hard you row, it's about what boat you're in. And right now, Skool is the boat that you want to be in. Now, the second reason that Skool presents such a huge opportunity is that community is king. We are at a point right now more than ever before where people crave community, genuine relationships, and a sense of belonging and support. I mean, people got really lonely during COVID. People turned to the internet for connection, but the internet can also be a very toxic and isolating space. So Skool was designed to solve this problem. By creating a community that not only brings people with similar interests together, but also teaches and educates on a topic that you all love, it creates a huge opportunity to build genuine connection and solve this global problem of loneliness. Now, Facebook Groups tries to do this, but Facebook wasn't designed with the sole purpose of creating community. It gets messy, the algorithm prevents your post from being seen, and not everyone is there for the same reason of connection, community, and learning. But Skool just makes the experience so much more wholesome. There's no algorithm pushing your post down. You can easily jump on live calls with your whole community. And most importantly, everyone can be seen and heard. This is how you build a true community and a true sense of belonging. And the final reason Skool is so powerful is the profit potential. Skool offers the potential to build a loyal fan base through community, but it also allows you to create MRR, or monthly recurring revenue, so you can have a stable income every month just from your community. On top of that, you can sell high-ticket services like one-on-one coaching, which gets people the results that they dream of and puts more money in your pocket, which is just a win-win for everyone, and that's what makes Skool such an incredible platform. Now, if you want to learn how you can start making $5,000 a month using Skool, I've created free courses that show you how to build your own online coaching business step by step. Just click the link in the description, join the free community, and start learning how to grow your business. I'll see you on the inside.